We are at KwaMashu today, Flavor Club Coffee. It's day 3 of Creative Coffee Week. Coffee is free today. We have all coffee lovers, they're all here. Cafe owners, baristas, coffee champions. I have so much love for coffee, so I want them to feel like me.
Today we're motivating disadvantaged kids in KwaMashu, giving a little bit more about coffee knowledge and building entrepreneurship. The more we educate and we have like coffee jams in the same place, we use a space to educate individuals with coffee. I think we can create more entrepreneurs in the township in KwaMashu. And I love to engage more and motivate individuals to make sure that they've got direction in life. So the guys need to believe in themselves, you know, that they can do it.
As an entrepreneur bank, we like to see business develop as entrepreneurs, and it's happening all over the place. And yeah, I certainly learnt a lot. I think there's a lot of scope for the coffee ecosystem in South Africa. I think we are still in a massive growth path within this space as well. And we're excited to see where this is going to go. And we're just trying to get more entrenched and understand it more.
Creative Coffee Week this year has been beyond our wildest expectations. I don't think we could ever have dreamed of having the quality of people here, the caliber of international guest speakers, the enthusiasm and the meaningfulness of the discussion around the issues in coffee and where we're going as an industry.
We cannot emphasize enough how much potential coffee has to change lives, and we want that to continue to be the core reason that we do this event, that we want our industry to be better.